In this tutorial, you'll learn how to place images side by side using columns in Card. To get started, click the blank page button to create a new site from scratch. Next, click Add to insert an element so you can start building your layout. Now, select the Container option from the sidebar, but instead, choose Container and then pick Columns to arrange content side by side. Click Add to insert these columns into your page. If you don't need certain elements, simply delete them by clicking the trash icon. Then add a new element inside one of your columns to begin adding images. Next, select the Image option and click Add to insert an image holder. And then, click the Add Element option again and add another image. Upload your first image by clicking the Upload button, selecting your file, and choosing the file type as needed before confirming with Accept. For your next image, open the Finder, upload another file, select the photo, open it, and finally click Accept to. As you can see, the images have now been placed side by side. You're all set to align images in Card. Thanks for joining.